Let's face it, you aren't here just because you want a video. You want more sales, or to automate customer support, or an effective employee training. You're looking for a solution. Choosing the right company can make or break that solution. So why should you fill out the form or call Talking Heads right now? I'll give you 5 reasons. Number 1, we don't stick you with some lame project manager. With Talking Heads, you collaborate with our creative director who has produced over 1,000 compelling videos, including for some of the top businesses in the world. Second, we don't use freelance writers. You need to call us to learn about our totally different scripting process. It blows people's minds. It's why they come back for more videos. Third, our in-house artists are incredible. We can draw the simplest stick figures or complex realistic sketches that seem like they could walk right off the page. Number 4, everything we do is specific to you, unlike the same old templates so many companies use. Number 5, we are not a lone wolf contractor. We are a full studio team who work together to create eye-popping, brain-stimulating video that persuades, influences, teaches, and sells. Was that 5? Well, here's a bonus one. Number 6, we are not cheap, but we aren't expensive either. For what we do, we are beyond fair. We blow away people with what we do and what they're getting from us. After watching a video created with Talking Heads processes, you will have leads ready to buy, employees who are better trained, and customers that need less hand-holding because they understand your product or service. And isn't that what you really want? A solution. So call our phone number to get to know us and see why our customers consider us to be a lot more than a video company.